Hey everyone, today we're diving into the incredible world of natural health remedies, and we're exploring a fascinating substance called Shilajit. If you've been curious about this ancient superfood and its benefits, you're in the right place. Shilajit, also known as mummy-yo or mummy, has been used for centuries in traditional Ayurvedic medicine and is known for its impressive health benefits. But what exactly is Shilajit, and how can it benefit you? Let's find out. Shilajit is a sticky, tar-like substance found primarily in the rocks of the Himalayas, but it can also be found in other mountain ranges worldwide. It forms over centuries from the gradual decomposition of certain plants by the action of microorganisms. This unique process gives Shilajit its rich mineral content, including fulvic acid, which is key to its potent health benefits. The composition of Shilajit includes over 85 minerals in their ionic form, making it a powerful rejuvenator and anti-aging compound. Now, let's talk about top health benefits of Shilajit and why you might want to consider adding it to your wellness routine. Boost energy levels. Shilajit is renowned for its ability to increase energy and stamina. It helps the body produce ADP, which is the primary source of energy at the cellular level. This can be particularly beneficial for those who feel fatigued or experience chronic tiredness. Enhances cognitive function. Studies suggest that Shilajit can improve memory and cognitive function. Its high fulvic acid content helps in the transportation of minerals into cells, supporting brain health and enhancing mental clarity and focus. Anti-aging properties. Rich in antioxidants, Shilajit helps protect the body from free radicals and cellular damage, which can slow the aging process and promote longevity. It's often used in Ayurvedic medicine to promote longevity and rejuvenation. Supports immune system. Shilajit's unique composition can boost your immune system, making it easier for your body to fight off illnesses and infections. The fulvic acid in Shilajit enhances nutrient absorption and helps the body fight off pathogens. Reduces inflammation. It has anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce inflammation in the body, which is beneficial for those suffering from conditions like arthritis and other inflammatory disorders. Improves gut health. Shilajit can aid in digestive health by promoting the growth of beneficial bacteria in the gut and reducing inflammation. This can lead to better digestion and overall gut health. Enhances libido and testosterone levels. Shilajit is known to boost libido and testosterone levels. It has been shown to enhance the production of testosterone, a key hormone for male sexual health, and improve sperm quality, which contributes to better reproductive health. So how do you incorporate Shilajit into your daily routine? Shilajit is commonly available in resin, powder, or capsule form. The resin is typically dissolved in warm water or milk, while powders and capsules can be taken with water. It's essential to start with a small dose as Shilajit is very potent. A general recommendation is to start with a pea-sized amount of resin or follow the dosage instructions on the supplement packaging. Always consult with a healthcare provider before adding any new supplement to your diet, especially if you have pre-existing health conditions or are on medication. While traditional use is a strong testament to Shilajit's benefits, modern science also backs many of these claims. Let's take a look at some of the research. Numerous studies have demonstrated Shilajit's effectiveness in various health aspects. For example, a study published in the Journal of Ethnopharmacology found that Shilajit enhances cognitive function and physical performance. Another study in Andrologia reported significant increases in testosterone levels in men after 90 days of supplementation. These scientific validations provide a solid foundation for the traditional uses of Shilajit and highlight its potential as a powerful natural supplement. And there you have it, an introduction to the amazing health benefits of Shilajit. Whether you're looking to boost your energy, enhance your cognitive function, support your immune system, or improve your overall health, Shilajit might just be the natural remedy you've been searching for. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Let us know in the comments if you've tried Shilajit and what your experience has been. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.